Hello, you guys. Hello. I'm trying to do this video, guys. Oh, I'm struggling. I'm making a coffee for myself and my husband here, and also I'm cooking porridge for my kids. On weekends, I cook for them oats or else mili porridge. So now I'm making a mili porridge, guys. There is Talita. She's cooking, guys. Here is my porridge, how it looks now. So I'm going to go now and enjoy my coffee, guys. So the porridge is ready. I'm dishing up for the kids now. Looks nice. Here is my daughter Luluto. She's telling you guys you must subscribe. Just turn your phones like that and subscribe. So this is how the product looks, guys. I use brown sugar, peanut butter, and butter. So I forgot now that I have to do laundry. I was planning to do dishes, then I'm like, okay, let me also do my laundry. So I'm going to start with my laundry and then do my dishes, guys. I have to take my washing machine to the sink. Then I wash the dishes because it is right now. I don't have a tap. So that's how I do it. I plug it there. Okay, so I'm done doing the laundry. I took the machine back to its place, yeah. So I'm also done doing my dishes. So this is another day that we had to take the kids to the park so that we can enjoy ourselves. It's my time to play with the kids now. They've been playing day the whole time, so it's always very pushy. They did enjoy themselves. Very nice time. Tiring time. It's time to go home, guys.